Hello viewers, free air ticket for everyone. If you want to book air ticket for free without payment, this video is for you. And you see there is a reference number, there is a confirmation letter, and there is a you got the airlines reference and everything. CRS number, you got the everything for this booking, yeah, and other than things, and you got the barcode as well. So and you got the return ticket, you can book the return ticket as well. This video is for who want to book air ticket for visa. Okay, so how to book this without payment, I show you this way. In this website you can got onward ticket. Here you get the flight ticket 100% verified, only 60 second after the booking. You got the 60-second ticket delivery, 24/7 support from human. So this is lots of thing over there, and is a real reservation guaranteed. So there is so many customer review for that. So this is a trusted site. You can book hotel, book air ticket from here. So I click on book now, and onward round trip. I show the round trip, and I want to book BN Bank, Bangkok to Hanoi. Bangkok to Hanoi, and I select the date as well. For example, this is a 25 and round trip this one, and I'm come back 30. Okay, this is alright. So after that you want to click on here, and you write it down your email address. I give the email address, for example, I want to use the fake email address. Okay, give the fake name because Robert, for example, Robert, I show this information for education purpose. That's why Robert Howell, for example. You want to add more if you want more customer. So I next and receive ticket, receive letter, receive ticket now. You can receive it now, and you can receive it later. You can active your ticket using link within 5 days. Okay, you can receive ticket within 5 days. Okay, deposit date is 20. Okay, and you can pay currency USD or euro. Okay, and if you want to pay, you have to pay for this is a real ticket. This is you have to pay something. This is a $24. This is a round up trip, and there's the one person that is $16, and round trip is $7, and receipt letter is $1. If I use the receipt letter, I want to pay $1 more. So receipt now, there is a less $1 is $23. Okay, then next is very easy process. Now it is confirm my ticket after paying. So this is a very what can I say, easy process to buy a flight ticket for visa application. Okay, so everything is you show the everything here. There is a 25 November, Bangkok to Hanoi, and Hanoi to Bangkok. Okay, round trip trip, and this is Robert, receive now, and you accept the terms and condition, confirm and pay. After choosing the PayPal account, pay now, I click on PayPal and give my details, and it takes time to payment, and you get you see this payment is booked, and 1 minute you got the ticket, and booking is confirmed, you see, and everything you got, and now you can download this ticket. I download now. You see there is the real ticket, this one. Okay, thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon.